So let us see a small diagram that we have drawn. PL is 4 centimeters, LA is 6.5 centimeters, angle P, this is 90 degrees, angle N is 85 and angle A is 110 degrees. As we can see here, there is angle A not given, so we will find out angle A. How will we find out? We'll add all the three, and we know that the sum of all four angles is 360 degrees. So we'll minus from that. So angle A plus angle N plus angle P plus angle L is 360 degrees. So we'll substitute these values. So we can see 85, 110 plus 90. So it is 285. So these all three angles are 280 degrees plus angle L is 360 degrees. The angle L is 360 minus 285 degrees. So angle L is 75 degrees. So we'll take this 75 and we'll do the construction. So let us start. We'll start with the line segment 4 centimeters. So this is PL 4 centimeters. From point P we will draw 90 degrees. Here is 60 and this is 120. We will bisect this 60 and 120 and we will get 90 degrees. Like this. So we will join this point and point P. This is 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. And from L we will draw a 75 degrees. Same way. So from here we will take a 60 degrees, then this is 120. So first we will take 90 degrees and from 60 again we will bisect it. We will not get it to the end, we want this point. So this is 90 and this is 60, so we will divide this and we will get 75 degrees. this is the point. So this is 75 degrees. So this is 75 degrees, and from L we will take 6.5 centimeters. From L we will take 6.5 centimeters. From L we will take 6.5 centimeters, and from L we will draw 110 degrees. So this angle 60 plus 15. So 60 and 90, there are 30 degrees. So divided by 2 is 15. So 60 plus 15 is 75 degrees. And as 110 is not a standard angle, it is not a standard angle, therefore the protector has to be kept properly, otherwise you are going to make a mistake. So this angle is starting from this side, therefore we have to take 0 from this side. So this 0 goes this side, this is 90, this is 100, 110. We will take it like this and we will join it. So this point and this point has to be joined. So this is 110 degrees. So this is point A, this is 6.5 centimeters, and it indirectly comes here, that is 85 degrees. So this is the required construction. We'll write down the steps of construction. First step, draw PL equals to 4 centimeters. Second, from P construct angle P equals to 90 degrees. Use compasses. Use the compass. Third one, mark and join it. Okay, then from point L construct angle L equals 75 degrees. Use compass, mark and join it. Then from point L take 6.5 centimeters, of course, on the ruler, and mark it or take a cut from point L. Then from point A take angle A equals to 110 degrees. Then join it. And the point N, and seventh one you can say the point N is got over there when it is intersecting, when this is intersecting, you can see when it is okay. So eighth one, the required quadrilateral is constructed. That's all for today's video. I hope you have liked and understood today's construction. Make sure you subscribe my channel, share this video with your friends and classmates. See you all in the next video with a new problem. Thank you.